A common problem in the electronics industry is protecting static-sensitive product when it's transported or stored outside an ESD Protected Area, EPA. In addition, the movement of circuit boards or other assemblies containing electronic components within a facility or shipping from subcontractor sites creates potential for ESD and physical damage. Protektive Pak's Dissipative Impregnated Corrugated material offers protection from both. In fact, Protektive Pak Dissipative Impregnated Corrugated material meets ANSI ESD S2020 and packaging standard ANSI ESD S541. So what makes Protektive Pak's Dissipative Impregnated Corrugated material different from conductive coated corrugated materials? Well, it's the buried conductive layer. What exactly does it mean to have a buried conductive layer? A conductive layer is essential to providing shielding from electrostatic discharge. However, the ESD Association standards recommend that packaging materials that are in intimate contact with devices should be dissipative to slow discharge and prevent an ESD event. The static dissipative range is between 10.4 to 1010 ohms. A reading less than 10.4 would be conductive. Many ESD-coated corrugated products are borderline between the conductive range and the static dissipative range. In many cases, the thin surface coating is rubbed off with use, and the packaging material becomes conductive, or rubs off completely, exposing the kraft material below. This is not the case with the Protektive Pak ESD corrugated material. The liner material for the corrugated is a single thickness material, but is 6 different layers, to give you the ESD properties you're looking for. A static, dissipative surface with a buried conductive layer that cannot be rubbed or scratched off. So where is this buried conductive layer? Well, it's actually very simple for you to see it for yourself. Independent ESD tests prove Protektive Pak impregnated corrugated material is superior to conductive coated material. The purpose of the independent tests were to determine the shielding effectiveness and resistance of the coated ESD boxes versus Protektive Pak impregnated corrugated ESD boxes. What was proven? Protektive Pak Dissipative Impregnated Corrugated material has a conductive buried shielding layer, is equal to or exceeds the discharge capabilities of a coated box, has discharge shielding capabilities equal to a metal-out shielding bag, meets ANSI ESD S541 recommendation, avoiding rapid discharge when contacting ESD-sensitive items. Conductive coated boxes do not. See our website for more information about our third-party testing and request a sample of Protektive Pak impregnated corrugated product to evaluate for yourself.